Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dota Underlords mobile using an easy method. First, download the free Dota Underlords app from your device's app store. Once installed, launch the game and familiarize yourself with the main menu. The core objective is simple. You'll build an army of units to battle against 7 other players, aiming to be the last one standing. Each round consists of 3 distinct phases: the shop phase, the combat phase, and a brief post-combat phase. Building your army is crucial. During the shop phase, you'll spend gold to purchase units. Each unit has unique abilities and belongs to specific alliances. If you acquire 3 identical units, they automatically combine to form a more powerful, higher star-level version. Strategically, you want to group units that share alliance traits, like hunters or warriors, to unlock significant bonuses that enhance your team's overall strength and synergy on the battlefield. Once the combat phase begins, your units will automatically battle the opponent's army on an 8x8 chessboard. Before combat, unit placement is key. Generally, place your tankier, melee units in the front lines to absorb damage, while your ranged damage dealers and support units should be positioned safely behind them. Pay attention to your opponent's setup, adjusting your formation to counter their specific unit types and alliances can often turn the tide of battle in your favor. Effective gold management is vital for long-term success. You earn gold by winning rounds, maintaining win or loss streaks, and through interest on your savings. For every 10 gold you save, you earn 1 extra gold in interest, up to a maximum of 5 extra gold per round. Deciding when to spend gold to refresh the shop for better units, or when to invest in leveling up your player to field more units, is a critical strategic choice that impacts your path to victory.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.